All right, if y'all returned from the reveal of the color, appreciate you coming back, and we're gonna carry on with assembling this ski. We got a lot to do, got a lot still waiting on coming in and everything, so appreciate y'all coming back, and let's get to it. We're getting into the box of random parts to put back on it. And I've already put a few of these things back in here and all that, re-securing that stuff. And as y'all saw, I didn't put the motor mounts in there. I just hadn't bolted them down. They're just kind of sitting, so. Not gonna put too much in here because I'm gonna have to turn the ski upside down to work on the pump and getting all that put in there. But the problem is I still gotta get with someone about drilling it out, welding, not drilling it out, but welding a little bung on both of those two pieces. So let's get back to doing the things we can for now. I got a part to save the hole. A little surf brace made by Rad Dudes. We got this thing, ordered it up, so we gotta bolt this in and everything, so it'll be kind of cool. Trying to decide if I want to just leave it raw for right now and then maybe get it powder coated later on, but probably raw for now. All right, we pretty much got everything assembled on the hood, so got it ready to be put on the ski. So I've got to put this bracket on now and put this part that will go with the new brace. And it's supposed to go kind of like that. So we gotta get these out and stick it in there. Right there, looks like it's gonna be the money. We'll leave that closed up for tonight. Can't really put much more on here. I can take the hood off because I'm about to have to turn it over. I'm actually in the middle of taking these and I'm gonna drill the holes for the dual cooling on both of them. Going from this to this. As usual, pretty much the exact same thing, other than this is cut down for a 650 pump with a 915 hooker and impeller. So, get all this out the way. Yeah, buddy. Got the dual cooling ready for the X2. Just got everything dry. Should be good to go. Okay. Well, that seems pretty dang good, actually. All right. Let's just get it out of the way for just a minute while I do all this. Because we got excess for sure. Holy cow. This is not the correct one. He said it fitted. Ha! Ain't that funny? I guess I'll sell this and make a little bit of money off of it, hopefully. Jeez. I can't believe that. That is too funny. I guess let's put the stock one back on. Let me find it. As y'all know, I chopped the rear about 1 inch or so I had to chop the ride plate. We got that thing finally cut back, cleaned up. Just gotta get this thing powder coated, painted. I'm not sure which one I want to do. I may end up just painting it because we may change the color on it once or twice. So, yep, got that chopped up. All right, I think this is where I'm going to leave it for now. I got a lot of things that I'm still working on. I've been trying to assemble the engine and everything. I had a lot of hiccups on that. Just off and on, just multiple things going wrong in the process of putting all this together. But I will have a separate video breaking down installing the jet pump and how I did it and all that. There was a couple things I did wrong, but I'm going to break all that down. Even the dual cooling, I'll have probably do just a total separate video for doing dual cooling if you want to do it yourself. So got all that coming, but just going to end this here and now, and I'll try to get another video out as soon as I can with more stuff on this ski. It's close, but it's not much further along than where y'all have made it to. So still got a good bit to go, but it shouldn't take too long as the weather and the parts that I've had to order and wait on for the ski and everything. So I appreciate y'all hanging in as long as you have, and we'll get more to you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.